Everybody is looking for a way to break through the noise. A billion videos are waiting to be watched. Creators pour their hearts into content, eager to connect. But there's a catch. They're trapped. Their impact is limited by geography, by language. This is the reality for most creators today. A vast global audience remains out of reach. Their message, their art, remains unheard. This isn't just a creative problem, it's a missed opportunity, a financial wall. What if we could break down these walls? What if everyone, everywhere could understand your message? That's the promise of truly global reach. That's the power to move people, to make a difference on a global scale. And that's where Rask AI comes in. Language barriers are real, they limit us, they prevent connection. Creators struggle to reach international audiences, businesses lose out on global markets, educators fail to connect with diverse students. But what if there was a way to bridge this gap effortlessly? To translate and localize your content with the click of a button? Imagine the possibilities. Introducing Rask AI, your key to unlocking the world. Our AI-powered platform breaks down language barriers, making your content accessible to everyone, everywhere. We don't just translate, we adapt. Rask AI understands the nuances of language. It captures the emotion, the intent, the humor. Your message remains powerful, engaging, and authentic, no matter the language. For YouTubers, Rask AI is a game changer. Generate subtitles in multiple languages automatically. Reach a global audience effortlessly. Watch your subscriber count explode as your content transcends borders. Educators, imagine this. Your online courses accessible to students worldwide. Rask AI makes it simple. Translate your lectures, your materials, your assessments. Break down educational barriers. Empower a global student body. Businesses, expand your horizons. Rask AI helps you tap into new markets. Translate your website, your marketing materials, your customer support. Unlock global revenue streams. Grow your business exponentially. Rask AI integrates seamlessly with your existing workflow. It's easy to use, affordable, and incredibly powerful. It's time to unleash the full potential of your content. Real-world results speak volumes. Take Cooking with Carlos, a small YouTube channel. After using Rask AI, their viewership skyrocketed by 400%. Their content, once confined to a single country, was now enjoyed globally. Or consider Learn Physics Online, an educational platform. With Rask AI, they translated their courses into 10 languages. Enrollment tripled. Students from all over the world flocked to their virtual classrooms. The numbers don't lie. Rask AI translates to real growth, real impact, and real revenue. It's not just about reaching a wider audience. It's about connecting on a deeper level. It's about building a global community around your brand. We live in a globalized world. Ignoring the power of multilingualism is no longer an option. It's time to embrace it. It's time to break free from linguistic limitations. Rask AI is your partner in this journey. We provide the tools, the technology, the support you need to succeed in a global marketplace. Don't get left behind. The future is here and it speaks every language. Join the Rask AI revolution today. Unlock your content's true potential. Unlock a world of opportunity. Visit our website or contact us to learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.